Hello everyone, it's me again, Joy of the Jungle. For today's video, I'm going to talk about the best places where to take your girl on a date. The first best place that you can take your girl on a date is into a fun activity. It might be a mini golf, arcade, bowling. You will have enjoyable you will have an enjoyable day while dating. You will enjoy each other's company. You will have fun while dating. You're playing while getting to know each other. The second one is the rooftop restaurant or a cafe. You can enjoy the view or the landscape or the cityscape somewhere while eating delicious food or sipping your coffee together while having a meaningful conversation and talking a lot of good things for each other. In the other one, into a art gallery museum, especially when the two of you are like you are into arts, you like galleries or something art that you can enjoy each other. Well, it's a good start when you just enter and you will go to that place, and when you just enter in that museum or art gallery, you will have a lot of things to talk about, because as you can, oh, this is good art. How about you can get to know each other, what you like and what you didn't like, and what's your, favorite, or yeah, everything that you can talk about while walking and enjoying the art gallery and the museum. And the next best place that you can take your girl on a date is in a movie. You will watch cinema together, and before that, you will choose your movie, your snacks, something to bring inside the cinema, and yeah, as what I have said, you will choose a movie together, and you will know what she likes or what genre of a movie she likes and you don't like. You can say that, uh and you can feel also if you are comfortable with that person, because it's like very, dating in a cinema. It's like you need someone that you can trust. So if you will be comfortable with her and she's comfortable with you also, then I think you can click together. And you can really like, I think I can trust this person. And another one is adventure places that has all the activities that also you can enjoy while dating, like in zip line, biking, swimming, or whatever it has, like, and I can say that best place here in Davao City that you can visit and have that activity is in Eden. There are a lot of, that activities that you can enjoy together, like, and you can you can really say, oh, I'm not that, fearful, I'm fearless to do this kind of activities like swing, biking on the air or something, and um horseback riding. Yeah. And it's super duper nice when you're dating with in that kind of place. The next one is in the beach. Wow, this is, like very romantic when you are dating in the beach, and while you're walking barefoot, holding your hands together, walking to the shore, and talking random things. I think that is the best thing. And And the sweetest one, very romantic, and you can enjoy yourself or your company together. You can do kayaking, swimming together, and yeah, that's what you can enjoy whole your day together. And this will be the last one, but not the least. Hiking or climbing, especially when the one that you met is into that, into hiking and climbing. You will enjoy the nature together, and you will enjoy hiking. You'll enjoy, like, of course, when hiking, you will have to talk something, like random things also. You will know each other more, because hiking or climbing is like really need patience to go to the top. Yeah, you will know each other. Oh, I think he is a good one to keep. And that's all for today's video, guys. If you want to support my channel, there is a couple of links in the description below. Bye bye.